How to go about creating a unique and memorable one. Shopping sites and recipe blogs are abundant in the digital world, so how do you make a blog that stands out? Here are some tips to ensure that your blog is one of a kind. Come up with an exciting concept or theme. Whether you're writing about the latest fashion trends, travel destinations, or tech gadgets, make sure the focus of your blog stands out, such as becoming an expert on a specific type of product or offering unique advice in a particular topic area. Develop your unique style. There's no need to reinvent the wheel when it comes to blogging, but a successful blog needs its distinct flavor. Feel free to try something new or take risks to make your blog stand out. Connect with other bloggers. Networking is a great way to promote your blog and provides an opportunity to learn from other bloggers in the field. You can get valuable feedback and advice on how to make your blog more successful and define your unique blogger identity better. Know who you're writing for. Before starting your blog, make sure to define your target audience. Knowing whom you're writing for will help inform the topics and content you publish and how you present it. Creating a successful blog takes time and effort, but if done right, it can be an incredibly rewarding experience. With these tips in mind, your blog will stand out.